I'm meteorologist Chris Ramirez with the Valley Storm Team. We are definitely seeing clear conditions across the valley. Here's a look right now from South Padre Island. Definitely beautiful conditions out on the water there. Seeing lots of sunshine. There is a high rip current risk for today, so definitely be cautious there if you are spending your time along the coast. Of course, areas inland, McAllen 86, Harlingen 87, Brownsville at 87. To look at the expressway from our NBC 23 Fire Bureau, just near the Sugar Road exit there, looking quite clear across the expressway. As far as our lunch break planner, we're going to see those increasing clouds through the rest of this afternoon with those high temps topping out in the low 90s for the lower valley, even though areas from McAllen to Rio Grande City well likely could actually end up getting up to about 95 degrees there. Tropical Storm Carl is in the southern Gulf. It has winds at 45 miles an hour, gusts at 60 miles an hour, moving north at 3 miles an hour. The thing to note here is that there is a cold front sweeping through Texas, and this is going to be blocking that system from making its way towards Texas, and it's going to send it southward. So it's going to remain a tropical storm for quite some time and send it into Veracruz, Mexico. That is not going to pose a threat to the Rio Grande Valley or Texas as we head into the next few days. We're just dealing with mostly clear and calm conditions. That cold front already moving through the Texas panhandle. By the time this cold front makes its way to the valley, it's going to be fairly weak for us. We're not going to see much change in our weather forecast with this cold front number 1 as we go into tomorrow. So we can expect this to arrive tomorrow evening with highs still remaining in the 80s and 90s. We could see a few coastal showers there from South Padre Island to Port Mansfield. Overnight lows still remaining in the 60s and 70s, but things get a bit interesting for the start of next week as we are expecting another strong system to move through Texas that is going to be in the form of a stronger cold front that could give us some widespread rain chances as we head into Monday evening into Tuesday, also giving us some significantly cooler conditions. So we could be dealing with highs in the low 80s, upper 70s, lows in the 60s there. Also, we could very well see some storms pack a bit of a punch with that system as we head into the start of next week. So we may be off to a wet start for the next work week, but still remaining mostly muggy. Future dew points for the next few hours just remaining in the 70s, and that's going to contribute to a hotter feels like temperatures. So even though we're seeing those highs in the 90s, mid 90s there, we very well likely could see those feels like temps ranging between 98 to surpassing 100. So feeling much like summer, all thanks to that increasing moisture from Tropical Storm Carl. It's definitely bringing in a lot of moisture here across the valley. The good news, not those flooding rains that are usually associated with tropical storms. For the next 7 days, mostly clear across the valley. We're just going to see that slight 20% chance of some showers, mainly along the coast through the rest of the work week. This weekend looking partly cloudy, few clouds expected for the next few days, but then next Monday and Tuesday, that's when we're expecting that strong cold front to arrive that could bring us some widespread storms. Also significantly cooler temps as we go into late Tuesday there.